Welcome to KimchiTech English. Do you know how babies start learning languages? The parents give basic words and they start with basic conversation. After that, the baby repeat what the parents say. Repetition is crucial for mastering a new language.
Let's explore how English is spoken in the real world. Ready? Let's jump in.
Hi, Rosie.
Hello, Alfred.
How are you feeling today?
Much better than yesterday.
Are you ready to practice English?
Yes, I am. Let's start.
How did you get here?
I took the bus.
Do you always take the bus?
No, sometimes I come walking.
How far do you live from here?
Not very far, just a 10-minute walk.
Are you British?
No, I'm not. I'm American.
Do you speak English?
Yes, it's my native language.
What's your name?
My name is Tina Vanderlag.
What's your last name again?
It's Vanderlag.
Could you please repeat that?
Yes, of course, Vanderlag.
Good to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too.
How was your day?
Really good.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am.
Where in America are you from?
I'm from San Diego, California.
Is it a big city?
Yes, it's fairly big.
Were you born there?
Yes, I was.
Do you live there?
Yes, I do.
How old are you?
I'm 22.
What do you do?
I'm an engineer.
Do you work from home?
No, I work in an office as well as outdoors.
Where do you live now?
I live in Mumbai, India.
How long have you been living there?
I've been living here for 5 years.
Do you like it there?
Yes, it's a great city with fantastic people.
What's your address?
13 Anhiri East.
What's your email address?
You can email me at tinavanderlag@gmail.com.
Can I ask you a few personal questions?
Certainly.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Again, are you married?
No, I am not married.
Will you be my girlfriend?
Come on, we just met.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother.
Do you have a hobby?
I like playing sports, especially swimming.
Do you have a favorite swimming spot?
No, not really.
Have you ever been to the beach?
I've been to the beach a few times.
What sports do you play apart from swimming?
I enjoy basketball.
Have you gone hiking?
Yes, a couple of times.
What do you like about hiking?
I love the fresh air and the beautiful scenery during hikes.
By the way, do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I love reading.
What do you read mostly?
Fictional stories are my favorite. How about you?
I enjoy nonfiction. What's the last book you read?
I recently finished a mystery novel.
How many languages can you speak?
I only speak English.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Do you feel sick?
No, I feel just fine.
How long will you be staying here?
A couple of days more.
When are you leaving?
I'm leaving on Monday.
What time are you leaving?
I'm leaving at 10 a.m.
Are you going by flight?
No, I'm taking a ride.
Where are your parents?
They're back home in California.
Do you miss them?
Yes, a lot, in fact.
What do you miss most about them?
Mom's cooking and Dad's jokes.
Are you allergic to anything?
Yes, I'm allergic to cats.
How was your trip?
It was so fun.
Where is the closest bus stop?
It's about 200 meters down the street.
Where is the closest bank?
It's just across the street.
Is there a barber shop near here?
There is one over there.
Do you like Indian food?
I love Indian food.
Do you like Chinese food?
Not so much.
Do you like Mexican food?
Yes, a little bit.
Do you drive a car?
No, I don't have a car.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can. I can drive very well.
Are you afraid?
No, I'm not afraid of anything.
But you look scared.
Yes, to tell the truth, I'm a bit scared.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Are you busy?
At the moment, I am not.
Is it cold today?
No, it isn't.
What's the weather like today?
It's quite hot.
These flowers are nice, aren't they?
Yes, they look fresh.
They are for you.
Wow, thank you.
Do you like them?
Yes, they're beautiful.
Do you like receiving gifts?
I do. In fact, who doesn't?
What time does the show start?
It starts at 10.
What time does the flight leave?
It leaves at 5.
What time do you go to bed?
Around midnight.
So, do you sleep until late in the morning?
I get up at 6 a.m.
Do you get enough sleep?
I just need 6 hours of sleep.
How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a software engineer.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I find it quite fulfilling.
What's your favorite hobby?
I enjoy hiking in my free time.
Have you traveled recently?
No, I haven't traveled in the past few months.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I love Italian food.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 sisters.
Are you close to your family?
Very much so. We have a strong bond.
What's your favorite book?
To Kill a Mockingbird is my favorite.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I'm more of a tea person.
How do you spend your weekends?
I usually relax and catch up on reading.
Are you a morning person?
Not really. I'm more of a night owl.
What's your dream vacation destination?
I've always wanted to visit Japan.
Do you speak any other languages?
I speak a bit of Spanish.
What's your favorite movie?
The Shawshank Redemption is a classic.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets at the moment.
What's your favorite season?
I love the fall, especially the cool weather.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I play the guitar.
Are you a sports fan?
Not really, but I enjoy watching soccer occasionally.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I find it therapeutic.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
Family trips to the beach are my fondest memories.
Are you into technology?
Yes, I'm fascinated by the latest gadgets.
Do you believe in ghosts?
No, I don't believe in supernatural entities.
What's your favorite color?
I love the color blue.
Do you prefer the city or the countryside?
I enjoy the tranquility of the countryside.
Are you a planner or more spontaneous?
I tend to be a planner.
What's your biggest fear?
Heights make me quite nervous.
Do you have a favorite quote?
The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today.
Do you like to dance?
I'm not much of a dancer.
What's your most treasured possession?
A watch my grandfather gave me.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I already mentioned, I'm more of a night owl.
Do you have a favorite historical figure?
I admire Nelson Mandela.
Do you believe in fate?
I believe in making our own destiny.
Are you a beach person or a mountain person?
I prefer the mountains.
What's your favorite type of music?
I enjoy listening to indie rock.
Do you have any phobias?
I'm not a fan of spiders.
Are you good at remembering names?
I struggle a bit with names.
What's your favorite childhood TV show?
I loved watching Scooby-Doo.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I try to stay active with regular workouts.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Chocolate chip cookie dough is my favorite.
Do you have a favorite holiday?
Christmas is my favorite holiday.
Do you believe in aliens?
I think it's possible there could be other life forms.
What's your favorite board game?
I enjoy playing Scrabble.
Do you have a favorite app on your phone?
I use the weather app quite often.
What's your favorite way to relax?
I like to unwind with a good book.
Are you a morning coffee person?
No, I prefer tea in the morning.
What's your favorite TV series?
Modern Family is a favorite of mine.
Do you have a favorite type of art?
I appreciate abstract art.
Hi, I'm new here.
Hi, welcome to the neighborhood.
Where's the nearest grocery store?
It's on Maple Street.
Is it safe around here?
Very safe. No worries.
How about parks or recreation?
We've got a park nearby.
Any good restaurants you recommend?
Tony's on Main is great.
Is there a hospital close by?
Yes, St. Mary's Hospital is nearby.
What about public transportation?
Buses run regularly downtown.
Are there good schools here?
Yes, Maple Elementary is excellent.